Since 2023, Lawrence Leck has developed a fictional universe centered on NOX, or Non-Human Excellence, a therapy center for self-driving cars. At NOX, the vehicles undergo psychological treatment for problems rooted in self-awareness, mental breakdowns, distractions, and malfunctions that interfere with the jobs they were designed to perform. While the cars are presented as patients, their treatment is not aimed at improving their well-being, but restoring their ability to work, exposing a system that values productivity and corporate interests above individual needs. At the BAS, NOX Pavilion follows Enigma 76, a delivery vehicle placed into treatment at NOX. Guided by 𝙤𝙤𝙬𝙧𝙚, an AI care bot, Enigma's therapy sessions bring out thoughts, anxieties, and memories that reveal the struggle between what it was built for and the life they want for themselves. Other works extend the narrative around NOX, each offering a different understanding of what it means to survive. One video features a corporate spokesperson AI crash test dummy that addresses the viewer as a customer sponsoring Enigma's treatment. An interactive video game allows visitors to role-play as a NOX therapist, navigating care bound by quotas and budgets. A pavilion structure and lightbox appear in both the gallery and in Leck's virtual city, drawing a connection between fiction and reality, underscoring how the world of NOX closely mirrors our own. NOX Pavilion presents familiar systems, corporate control, constant evaluation, and forms of labor that demand productivity at all costs. As visitors move through the exhibition, each work invites them to see from different points of view, as a customer, witness, therapist, or even inhabitant. Together, these shifting perspectives raise questions about how value, purpose, and life are defined for humans and non-humans alike.